Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a tool that's built to withstand the toughest environments and streamline labeling tasks for professionals. The DYMO Industrial Label Maker, specifically the Rhino 4200. This isn't your average home labeler. It's engineered from the ground up for job sites and heavy-duty labeling jobs, where durability and efficiency are paramount. One of the first things that stands out about the Rhino 4200 is its robust construction. It feels incredibly solid in hand, designed to take the knocks and drops that are inevitable in a busy work environment. Its rugged exterior ensures it can handle dust, dirt, and the general wear and tear of industrial settings, making it a truly reliable companion for electricians, data comm specialists, and anyone working in demanding conditions. This label maker isn't just tough, it's built to last, minimizing downtime and replacement costs. Beyond its physical resilience, the Rhino 4200 truly shines with its operational efficiency. It prints fast, which is a massive advantage when facing large-scale labeling projects. Imagine needing hundreds of labels for cables, panels, or equipment. The speed of this device means less waiting and more getting the job done. This rapid printing capability directly translates into significant time savings on the job site, allowing professionals to move on to other critical tasks quicker. What truly sets the Rhino 4200 apart, however, are its time-saving hotkeys. These aren't just fancy buttons, they're intelligent shortcuts designed to eliminate guesswork and repetitive actions. With a single press, users can instantly format labels for common applications like wire and cable wraps, patch panels, terminal blocks, and fixed-length labels. This feature alone can drastically cut down on the time spent manually adjusting settings for each specific labeling task. For instance, creating perfectly sized wire wraps becomes an effortless process, ensuring consistency and professionalism across all installations. The intuitive interface, combined with these dedicated hotkeys, makes complex labeling surprisingly simple and quick, even for those new to industrial label makers. The DYMO Rhino 4200 is more than just a label maker. It's an essential piece of equipment for anyone who demands precision, speed, and unwavering durability in their labeling solutions. It empowers professionals to create clear, long-lasting labels quickly and efficiently, ensuring organization and safety on every job site. For heavy-duty labeling jobs, where reliability cannot be compromised, the Rhino 4200 stands out as a top-tier choice, consistently delivering professional results under challenging conditions. Its combination of ruggedness, speed, and intelligent features makes it an invaluable asset for any serious professional.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.